Welcome to CES 2026. My name is Tim Winde, Director of Product at Valens Semiconductor. Today I want to show you how our unique technology allows us to send high-speed data over the most challenging links for industrial applications. At our demo station, we have 4 different cameras with 4 different challenges. The first camera module from Leopard Imaging sends data over an unshielded twisted pair. While other technologies using coax cable with shielding, we can manage the transmission of 4 gigabit of data without the protection of shielding. The second data link from D3 sends 8 gigabit of data over a coax cable. That's an unprecedented length. The next camera module from Framos utilizes a microcoax cable where we send 8 gigabit of data over 8 meters of distance. Last but not least, we have here a slip ring, where we send 4 gigabit of data over a brush that revolves over a static ring. As you can see, unique challenges that require a unique technology that only Valens is able to solve.